Data shows that the median sold price in Annapolis rose 10.4% year over year to $662,315 at the end of June. It's Friday, July 18th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Despite more inventory, homes are selling quickly and still trending at higher prices. There are 221 homes for sale at a median $777,000. This report compared to 2024's 151 homes for sale, a 49% increase in inventory year over year. 13 properties are coming soon, falling by almost half. There were 23% more homes going under contract this week, 32 homes in 18 days. 30 homes sold for 99% list to sold ratio in 16 days with a median sales price of $604,000. 10 homes sold in zip code 21401 at a median $432,000 sales price in 6 days. 15 homes sold in zip code 21403 at a median sold price of $740,000 in 20 days. 5 homes sold in zip code 21409 at a median $369,900 in 18 days. There are 41 homes for lease at $3,200 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, July 18th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay cool. I'll see you next week. Take care.